All right, dun 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 dun. We have our third command. So our new command, Flask Make Controller, which we're going to talk about, which means we've had Flask, Flask New, Flask Make View, and now we have Flask Make Controller. And Flask Make Controller, like at its very basics, will create a single file, a controller file. And that's, you could leave it at that if you just want a file and you don't want to have to right click and tell VS Code to make the file, and you would rather write into the terminal, then you can do that. But I don't know that too many people will be using it for that. What is the magic behind Flask Make Controller is that you will be able to scaffold out all the RESTful actions with one option. So, and then not only that, but it can wire up everything for you. So the routes will be built out, all the templates will be built out. Now that right there is a lot, because in order to do that with Flask Make View, you would be writing 7 lines, terminal lines. So this can do that all in one. So it's more than just about creating that one file. It's really about wiring up that controller, and then if you want it to, you can actually have it make the model. So enough talking. Let's get into Flask Make Controller and see what it can do.